God bless America.
Yeah, I know, it's really great. Why is it a great day, America?
They finally killed Osama bin Laden.
Bye, bastard!
They finally got the bastard. They finally got Osama bin Laden. He was awfully mean.
Wow, he's really terrible.
Yeah, I know. He was awful. You know what they call the most evil man since Hitler?
Really?
Yeah, he was horrible. He was evil. Most terrible. He was actually a mastermind between 9/11. It actually took him 50 years to actually find him because they thought he was hiding in a case. Wow. They finally got him. You know what they call Bush the most evil man since Hitler?
That's not true.
He was. They call Osama the most evil man since Hitler. And he was horrible. I can't believe he was even hiding in plain sight even. It actually took him 10 years to find him. He was actually planning another 9/11 attack on the anniversary of 9/11. Oh my God. Wow. He was the most evil man since Hitler. He was planning orchestrating another 9/11. He's actually going to use nuclear bombs. Really? Really? Yeah, I know. He was horrible. So we say, God bless America. Osama bin Laden, rot in hell forever. Amen. God bless America. God bless America.